to my small channel. I am introducing a new ICU ventilator from famous manufacturer company maquet. This is one of the most modern ventilator, maquet-Air. This we can use double situations. It will explain later. Most user-friendly and small ventilator with all modern ICU ventilator modes. We can check what are the components. Main difference is no need of air source from outside. It's only need oxygen source. Okay, this is most advanced technology. This is parts are same as ordinary ventilators. Expiratory and inspiratory port and folding screen is the most important thing. Okay, and oxygen piping, power cable, and ET tube handle, and so much switches. No need, not at all. Like no, nothing else. Full touch screen is there. Full screen is the most important thing. It's special usage. We can see how to remove expiration cassette. Okay, this expiration cassette is like as our ordinary ventilators like this. Okay. And this is the air sucking source from our atmosphere. Okay, this is the most important thing. We will explain later the most usage, and then we can see how to remove the expirators. This is expiratory cassette. Okay, just press that square shape button and just press, and just we can easily remove it, and we can give it to CSD, and we can sterilize. Okay, disinfect and sterilize, and we can reuse it. Okay, must be careful about in this situations. In this recent scenario, we put a 2 HMA filter minimum for using these ventilators. Okay, and we can inserting is like this, like as just inserting and click sound we can hear. Okay, enough. Okay, this most attracting and most see the shape and all is very good. This is full touch monitor. This is maquet-Air mode. This we can use adult and pediatric also, and we can see how to demonstration. First we should connect the oxygen tubing properly into the socket and check it is not loose or low as appropriate fixing. Okay, then we can see the blue signal is there, and we can, this is the on off switch. Okay, this just click okay, very simple, just click on off. Okay, when it on, then we can see the green signal, and sometimes later the screen will be open. Okay, so easy to carry and easy to watch and adjust all things, all parameters. In this COVID scenario, this is most user friendly thing. Then we should confirm we use all ICUs. We should confirm that if we using ventilators contain battery capacity minimum 3 hour minimum battery capacity is must need, and also one ambu bag is kept always with ventilator. Okay, was more patient safety. Okay, and after we switch on button, we can see the sometimes later the screen is on. Okay, the switch on button is just a hiding thing. In first of time in our hospital, doctors also searching where it switch on, button. Because there is a side hiding places. Okay, then we can see the monitor is on. Okay, its modes and applications are like this, like all ventilators, but it's most user friendly. Like if we switch on, just see like this standby. Okay, and we can appropriate 3 questions: 1 adult or pediatric, next invasive or non-invasive, next which mode you want like to select. Okay, this enough. And next side is start ventilation. But it's 3 areas we can select. Mostly we can start ventilator if in the time of emergency or something. Okay, we can select 12 types of different modern modes are there. We can select appropriate, just select touch and we can select the measurements. Okay, and next just click start ventilation button. Then we can see this. Okay, the another thing is we should keep one suction ready for every ventilator patients. This is common thing. Okay, see just we can check the system. We can one button is standby and see another we can check the modes, explain the patient category, adult and pediatric. You can check contains mode selection, standby and alarm limits, control, screen, displays mode and special manuals like manual with static measurements, nebulization etc. is included in this. We can use this in aeronebulization mode. We will see the aeronebulization port and we can attach one cable and we can use it. Most likely in stem cell therapy is most good. O2 booster button is the in lower side. We can in emergency condition we can put 100% oxygen. In suction support is the we can put suction support for suctioning of the patient more safely and also patient safe. We can capture the video and screen capture is the most important and most advanced thing, and we can print out through USB or something and we can store data. Then another thing is we should communicate with the intensivist before we connect the patient, and before connecting patient to set the all measurements and parameters of the ventilator parameters. Okay, the lock screen is there. Lock screen is most good. This is special usage. Lock screen and flip screen is most advantage. Okay, this is what I look. Could I use 20 how cute look. You can use additional settings are there, additional values are there. The reservoir bag of normal circuit. Okay. This is the inspiration port. This is the expiration port. This is a nebulization port for aeronef nebulization. This is I'm telling in the starting of the video. This is the most special usage. This we can use these transport ventilators. Okay, you already know that this is no need of outside air source. Due to this special character, we can use this for ICU ventilators and transportation, patient transportation usage through shifting for MRI, CT, USG, or transport from one hospital to another hospital. No need to search another portable ventilator. This we can use like a transportation ventilator. This is common. If using common transport ventilators, this contains only some common modes only, like SIMB, body control, pressure control. But this ventilator we can use.
Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe and share it. Thank you.